In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Mytheresa coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Mytheresa coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website, which is called Sherlock's. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount of featured styles with Mytheresa, all you need to do is just select this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy this promo code, and you can use this one in order to have the 20% discount. Also, we have right here this website which is called Marie Clary. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes and some deals that can give us some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this 20% discount off your next purchase. So all you need to do right here is just select this button where it says get code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code from this button and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase so that you can get a 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.